Good morning. Today we're going to start reading this week's issue of Studies Weekly. We're on week 1. This week's issue is called Planet Earth. We're going to read the front page today, so go ahead and follow along with me on your digital copy. Planet Earth. How much do you know about your home? No, not the house or apartment you live in, our planet Earth. It's big and round, and it's where we all live. Can you name the continents and the oceans? Do you know where the coldest place on the earth is found? Do you know the Earth's largest island? This issue will give you lots of information about your home, planet Earth. Get in groups of 6 or 8 and put a globe in the middle of each group. You'll probably need to borrow some globes from other classrooms. We're not going to do that today. Look at all the large bodies of water on the planet. Did you know the Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of all the oceans? See all those large land masses? You probably know they are called continents. Some books say there are 7 continents, with the Ural Mountains of Russia being the dividing line between Europe and Asia. Others say this is only one continent, Eurasia. Scientists say the continents are about 25 miles thick, 40 kilometers. You'd need a very big shovel to dig to the other side. Did you know the land masses on the Earth are constantly moving? Don't worry, you don't need a seatbelt. The continents are only moving about 1 to 3 inches a year. Next, find India or Italy. These countries are called peninsulas. A peninsula is land that is surrounded on 3 sides by water. Can you find other examples? Find the water separating the state of Alaska from Russia. This is called the Bering Strait. A strait is a narrow section of water connecting 2 larger bodies of water. Can you name these bodies of water? The opposite of a strait is called an isthmus. Can you find a long, narrow body of land connecting 2 larger bodies of land? Central America is probably the most famous isthmus. It connects North and South America. Find the European country of Switzerland. Like the states of Iowa and Kansas, Switzerland is a landlocked area. Landlocked means it doesn't touch any bodies of water. Can you find other countries of the world that are landlocked? I had to flip to the back. On a world map, Greenland looks pretty big. Why is it the world's largest island and not a continent? Did you know the world's longest river is the Nile River? Can you locate the country where you find that river? Do you know that the world's largest desert is called the Sahara? Can you find the continent where the Sahara Desert is located? Planet Earth is a beautiful and exciting place, shared by about 7 billion people. It's our home, and it's time to learn more about it. Now let's flip to the front again, and we're going to read the bottom part. Connections, philanthropy, and values. Maybe you have heard the word philanthropy before. What does it mean? It describes actions that people make for the good of other people. What is a value? It is a way of behaving that people believe is good, like believing it's good to be honest. Is honesty one of your values? One way you can practice philanthropy today is to help yourself and others learn good values. How do you learn good values? You can learn them from your parents and grandparents, your teachers at school or church, or other people you can trust. You can also learn them from people that have been recognized for doing good things for society. An easy way to learn about people that have done good things is to visit values.com. Values.com has lots of stories and short videos that highlight the traits that make each of us better people. They even have billboards on highways to remind us about good values. For example, you may have seen a billboard that looks like the one shown here. This billboard is about Oral Lee Brown, who saved money from her job to send 19 kids to college, all by herself. Wow, isn't that cool? You can learn a lot about people who practice philanthropy at values.com. Be sure to look for more of their billboards on page 4 of the Studies Weekly this year. We think they're so cool, we want to remind you to check them out. Now, go ahead and go back to your agenda and go to today's assignment and fill out the simple question about what we read today. Thank you.